Smile, waki, waki. 1, 2. Turo si Hera. 1, 2. Okay ba? Alam mo na gagawin, alam mo na gagawin. Narinig mo ako. Okay, kaway. Okay, ready. Picture naman. Compress, compress. 1, 1, 2. Ito pa. Okay, 1, 2. Thank you po. Okay, next po. Next. Vlog po na. Video mo na, video. Kaway, kaway, kaway. Excuse me, boy, excuse me. Okay, dito naman, camera. Muna sa video. 1, 2, kaway, 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 kaway. Okay, dito naman po. 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. Waki, waki. Thank you. Nag-lock.
And there you go. Alright, and now we have Madam Marilu Torres. Palakpakan naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I know you are, I don't know, busog. But don't worry guys, we will have the last 2% of this celebration, and then after that, we'll have the after part. And there you go. That is Ma'am Marilu Torres. And now we have the Lola. One of the Lolas also of our birthday celebrant, Georgina Alazor. Palakpakan naman dyan.
Gumawa ako ng body ko, no? Okay. Ganda mo naman. Kanino ka Kanino nagmana si ma'am? Okay, good. Siyempre, happy birthday muna. Alam ko, answered prayer and dream come to God for your 70th day. At siyempre, you need to say thank you to Mommy and Daddy. Kasi, pinasikapan na nila ito para maibigay ang gusto mo, at the same time, reward mo din ito from them kasi nag-aaral kang mabuti. At very good ka ate, para kayo ito, di ba? Pero sana, kahit wala reward, always be a good ate and aaral ka pa rin mabuti. Sayang wala na si Lolo. Di mo lang si Lolo, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Alam ko, miss na miss mo na siya. But I'm sure, Lolo, is probably ang happy watching us from heaven. Pero huwag kang iiyak ka kasi ngayon, big year ka na. Alam ko, miss mo si Lolo, pero parang kailan lang kasi ang liit mo at super cute ka. Ngayon, malapit mo nang kasi laki si Lola, pero parang may crush ka na yata eh. Nakita ba siya? Minsan po, nagtanong sa akin si Hera. Sabi niya, Lola, nagtanong sa akin, sino po ba dapat sundin? Si Mami o ikaw? Kasi ikaw yung pinakamatanda sa bahay. Ganyan. Kasi siguro alam ni Hera na si Lola, madalang lang mag-never say no. Pero sabi ko, sagot ko kay Hera, kahit nandito si Lola, dapat sundin mo pa rin si Mami and Daddy. Pero si Mami kailangan sumunod kay Lola kasi Mami knows best, di ba? Pero ang dapat mo pinakatandaan mo, baby, yung lagi kang magpipray kay God, kay Papa Jesus. Always be thankful because Papa Jesus always give what you want. Di ba? Pero ngayon, yung alam ko, pero sa lahat ng bagay, meron din, hindi ka dapat makalimot kay Papa Jesus. Always thankful ka kay Papa Jesus. Sana lumaki ka may takot kay Papa Jesus. Maging mabait lagi. Naaral ng mabuti, may reward man o wala. At syempre, be a role model to Hugo, okay? Once again, happy birthday and Lola loves you so much. I love you.
Wow! Very good. Thank you so much. Now, Josephine Rezones with the Lolas and our birthday celebrant. Maraming salamat po. And now, please stay and have a group picture with our birthday celebrant now. Okay. Eyes on the camera. 1, 2, and closer po. And wow. You are beautiful Lola of our birthday celebrant. Nasigurado ako sa kanilang lahat ng gana.
I just pray that God will bless you and your family with all this. Happy birthday! Love you so much, baby.
And say, right now.
Happy birthday, Hera. Sana huwag kang mabuti, mabait, at masunurin bata sa mga magulang mo. Okay? And study hard. Ayan, super proud si Nana sa'yo. I love you.
And there we go. Right, next we have.
Happy birthday, Mira. Siguro masasabi ko, always be thankful kahit gano'ng kalaki or galit yung birthday sa'yo. And also, laging gagawin ng parents mo, ano ba, yung sila sa hindi kaya. So, be the best support system for your family.
And very good.
Happy birthday, Hera. Keep shining bright and love ka naman.
Alright, and of course, we have the Lolo of Era.
Ganda po sa school, ha? Ano sa palagay na ako, batawag sa mga birthday.
And there you go. Palakpakan mo natin ang ating 7 envelopes. Will you please stay put? Alright, and eyes on the camera. Ayan, alright, good. Okay, kids, please sit down. Alright, because this time, Mammy, Christian, and Daddy Jack will give you a look back. You guys everyone to please settle down now. Right, once again, we'll
Good evening po. Before ako magsalita, mayroon yung pinaano ko sa inyo.
Alright, before magsalita si Ma'am Che, may I request everyone now to please settle down muna po. This is the last part of our celebration, so please stay and listen to the words of wisdom coming from the parents of Hera. Alright, once again, Mrs. Christiana Torres.
Again, good evening po. Sobrang happy kami and grateful kasi kahit alam namin na may iba pa tayong sinaselebrate ngayon, which is Father's Day, ginawa niyo po talaga ng paraan yung araw ng anak namin. May mga nag-leave, may mga nag-advance ng shift kahapon. Alam namin lahat yun para lang makapunta kayo dito. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun and alam namin na love niyo yung baby namin. And yun lang sana, nag-enjoy kayo. Yun po. Tapos, yun, meron kaming gift para kay baby. Akala niya wala. Kasi sabi namin, itong party na yung gift namin sa kanya. So, itong gift namin, isa siya sa maganda na niyang gusto. Pero syempre, kahit dahil hindi naman araw-araw may budget, hindi namin may bigay-bigay. Pero ngayon, kami. Ayan, we want you to receive this gift. Yan, sige, you can open it na.
Alright, you're it. Number one. Wow. It's a keyboard. Wow, palakpakan naman dyan. Actually, si Anna talaga po ay she loves music, di ba? Kaya nga ganyan yung kumanta. No? At isa daw po sa pangarap niya ay matutong mag-keyboard. Yes, alright. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, about the weekend for the parents of our birthday celebrant, Mr. Janko and Christine. Hera. Alright. And there you go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so